In the employees section, you manage the employees in your company. So here we will need a list of all the employees that the visitors will come and visit. So the minimum is a name, and if you want to get notifications by SMS, we need a phone number, and the phone format needs to be with a country code first, and then the phone number itself, and then an email if you need an email to be sent. You can also set if each of your employees is an administrator, which means he has access to this backend here. If he has access to the mobile application, you put a checkbox here. And if you can change things in the visitor system, you put a checkbox here. If someone is out for a while and you don't want him to pop up in the visitor system, you check the checkbox here to inactivate this user profile. So you can manually add employees by pushing add employee. So you put in the name, so first name and last name, and then you can add department, which is not necessary, but you need the phone number and the email. If you have multiple companies at your address, you can select the company here. By pushing plus, you add a new company. And then city, that's if you have multiple locations. So maybe you have one visitor system in New York and one in Los Angeles, then you add these cities here. If you're using our system as your entry system for your employees, you set the badge ID here, and then you can read that badge with an NFC reader or the barcode reader when this person gets to work, and we will check him in. You then push save when you've entered the information you need here. You can also, of course, delete an employee by pushing the checkboxes here for the people you want to delete if they quit, and then push delete selected. Then you have the export employee list, so that's going to export it to Excel. So if you want to add some data in Excel, you can export it and then re-upload it here. If you want to import a list of employees, you click on the upload button, you select an Excel file with the employees, so you can see a preview here, and you push open, and now you'll see your Excel list up here and which columns are in there. And this is the database column, and you need to match it to whatever is in your Excel sheet here. If you named the headers in the Excel sheet the same as we have here, then they will automatically be populated like this. Otherwise, you'll have to select them from the list here. So you select name, phone number, and email. If you want to add more data, more fields, then you go to setup. So here you can change a lot of the things. You can delete the employee list by checking the checkbox here. So you delete the employee list and upload a new one, and so on. But in this case, we're just going to import the standard format from an Excel sheet into the database. So you just push import here, and now we've added these